That one was good. That one was okay. It wasn't that great. I want them to go up in the sky. Oh my goodness. I'm running. Run, Mom! Before something happens. Oh my. Okay. Woo. Ah, fireworks. Fireworks, I say, fireworks. These are basically the same. And that one. Run! Run before something happens. Light on, Mom. Whoa. I like how it goes green, red, green, red, green, red. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That one scared me to death. That one's cold. That one's cool. That scares you to death. There's another one. That's gonna scare me to death soon. I won't tell you. I won't tell you. Back up. This is so cool. Why?
They stay hot.
Oh. Yikes. Just gonna light it up. Get back up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That keeps doing it to me. We need to take these black things off.
Don't touch
bottom.
them. They're real hot.
I know.
Don't touch any of them on the ground. You gotta leave them on the ground.
Let's run. Let's run. Let's run. I need to run. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Whoa. What the? Oof. Last one. Or take the black things off. The black things on the bottom. Oh my goodness. That scared me to death. Somehow. It might go in the sky. I don't know. Take this.
You know them empty bottles of tea? If we get an empty bottle of tea, it would hold this up. Don't touch them, they're hot.
Take this black thing off. Oh, how hot are they?
Okay, let's see what these do.
Take the black thing. Yikes. Okay. I won't do this. What the? That was so. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That was so cool.
Yeah, you're wrong when you light these up. That is crazy.
I know. Okay. It's like a motorcycle. It sounded like a motorcycle. Run, Mom! Run! Crazy. Crazy, I said. Crazy. Look at how many fireworks we lit up.
Yeah, I know.
Run. Run. Run if it's the same one. Run. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting scared to death. Oh my god. It literally came right over here somewhere. Right over here somewhere. Yeah, right here. And I went vroom. Like a motorcycle kind of sounded like. Honestly. Okay.
Like two together.
What is this next one going to do? Like. Okay.
No, I'm not going to be able to.
Yep, you are. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
We need like an empty bottle or something to put that one in.
Want me to get it?
Yeah.
A lot of crazy things are happening.
It went over to the wet mud, so it died out.
That's fine. There's a lot of things growing here.
Yeah.
Where's Jesse? I should hold it. I can't find an empty tea bottle. Maybe use this cup. Today. Here, something to hold it.
This will hold it perfect. Let me see. Jess, we're gonna light this off, man. This is gonna be crazy.
Uh-huh.
This is gonna be totally crazy.
Let me throw this out. Okay. Okay, let's go over here. Let's see. What do you mean it doesn't have a
Oh,
fuse?
it's got a fuse. I just found it. So I'm gonna light it up.
Yes. Now let's run! Ah! Okay.
Everybody get away.
Yeah, definitely. I'm going right here.
I wonder if I have to put on brick.
Anyways. Oh dear. This is gonna be crazy. Man, this place is somewhere. You need to level it too, so.
Alright, is everybody ready?
Yes! 3, 2, 1. Okay, never mind. What does it happen?
Jess, you get a lighter?
Yes. Well. Okay. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That's it? Wait, I might do some magic tricks here. I don't know. It's just a... Oh no! It has a red light. Everyone, back away from the light. No. It's starting to get creepy. Focus. There's a fire. There's just a red light coming out. Wait a minute. It might do some tricks on us.
It might, so stay away from it. Alright, well, that wasn't so great.
Yeah.
We had them, I couldn't just let you sit out here. We did them all out here the one year, but I got nervous.
Okay.